This problem is white to play, and the goal is to make a ko in order to have a chance to live on the corner. If you're watching these videos in order in the ko section, you'll find it pretty boring because they all look very similar, and the way to make a ko on the corner is this. Problem solved. But what's more interesting is to think about what this pattern is about. So if white wins the ko, let's say white captures back, black relents and plays the connection here. What should white do now? Here, the correct answer, there's only one correct answer, right? And it's this move right here. So even after black captures back, white can connect, and this will be a bent 4 shape, like this. If white's number 9 plays anywhere else, then white might be dead, right? Because this shape is not a living shape. If white plays here, then black will capture, white connects, and to kill this shape, black plays here. And white will have to rely on this ko in order to try to stay alive. So it is important that white plays number 9 here to make a living shape. Another question here, of course, is if white just connects, what should black do to kill white? Black can play this move to reduce white's eye space. And once white plays here, then black can just play this, and white will not have enough eye space to live. So once again, the ko is pretty easy to find, but what's more interesting is those other variations that I showed you. Hope you like them. Thank you for watching.